Pretty Mind Mindsets and Habits for Next Level Living. Cami Townsend. Copyright 2024, Cami Townsend. All rights reserved. No part of this book may be reproduced or used in any manner without the copyright owner's written permission, except for the use of quotations in a book review. ISBN 979-899-2256000. Printed in the United States of America. Introduction. Since we are officially family, your wealthy auntie wants to address more of why this book became a thing. A while ago, I was flying back from an amazing trip with my girlfriends with so many mixed emotions. It was a blessing to spend those several days relaxing, laughing, dancing, and resting between adventures in the city. A modern living single episode in the making. Yet I couldn't help notice that among all these successful women from various professions, there was this ugly recurring theme of anxiety stealing joy from their lives. That dreaded feeling that breaks spirits and sucks the life from your body as you spiral into dark places, sometimes too embarrassing to talk about until you're with your girls. This is when the testimonies from the test and the messages from the mess start flowing. Yet, despite these sessions of encouragement, my sister friends were not fully enjoying all aspects of their lives. Although from the outside looking in, many would see a group of pretty women who have it all. Yet, behind the scenes lurked issues with money, careers, romance, family, spirituality, etc. If you are blessed with friends who you can let loose around and be your authentic self in a loving and supportive fashion, that is priceless. By this standard, I am the richest woman alive as I have several beautiful queens who provide this for me. It is in the deepest and darkest moments that you can let your guard down and cry, allowing yourself the grace to feel what you feel while your friends listen and bring their life perspectives and experiences to the table to encourage your next steps. Yet, even when we have access to these types of relationships, we often carry too much stress from trying to manage it all at once, unassisted. This is particularly true with Black women who have adopted the superwoman syndrome through observation or by necessity. You don't ask for help, but you try to help everyone else. And if you have to cry, you don't dare let anyone else see you. This approach is unhealthy and allows unmanaged stress to attack our spirit, mind, body, relationships, and wallet. Yeah. So what's your point? My point is that during that trip, for the first time, I personally felt completely at ease with little to no stress in any area of my life. It was a dizzying moment that I don't think anyone noticed, but it literally shocked me to my core. I had reached the mountaintop unexpectedly. After all the years of climbing, struggling, sliding, falling, and regaining ground, the clouds lifted and I planted my flag of inner peace on the elusive peak of everyday existence. As you would imagine, it's amazing up here, but very lonely as so many others strive to conquer this lifelong challenge. So I had to ask myself, how did I get here? How am I at peace with my relationship with God, my mind, my body, my money, my profession, my friends, my family, my hobbies, and everything in between? How do I wake up refreshed and thankful for days full of laughter and mental clarity, while I allow the stress of the unexpected fade quickly away? And now, how do I share this journey of reprogramming my mindsets and habits over the last 15 years to help others? And most importantly, how do I preserve what I've built on this summit as the situations and seasons of life change around me? These questions set the stage for Pretty Mind. Ironically, all the pieces came crashing together in front of me as I was brainstorming ideas for financial and investing literacy classes for women. It just never sat right with me that so many women I spoke to were not in the right mindset to think about their finances or find the time to work with me. What was holding them hostage was not any one thing, but the whirlwind of a life that keeps lifing with bills, family, chores, work, school, and friends. It seems since COVID, the world started spinning faster, and folks' desire to give up and get flung off into the universe became more appealing as the fatigue of just existing started to set in. So, how could I even begin to truly help someone change their mindset and habits about finances, investing, and wealth when their mindset and habits regarding other aspects of their lives needed an intense system reboot as well? Your thoughts control your mindset. Your mindset controls your actions. Your actions form habits, and your habits form your life. Understanding this and taking actionable steps is what will get you to the next level of living a life designed specifically for you by you in true FUBU fashion. This is how you reach the peaceful summit of everyday thriving and stand with me enjoying the view from your new magnificent position in life. Ladies and gentlemen, when you reach the point I've reached, you not only look pretty, but you feel pretty, which is great. But your wealthy auntie wants you to be pretty in another sense with the acronym putting repeatable effort towards transforming yourself. It all boils down to willing your mindset into making executive decisions that impact your habits holistically, that align with the life that you want. The following chapters will allow you the space to absorb the objectives and begin the training to realign yourself. Let's take a close look at the acronym. Putting, to move or place in a particular position or bring into a particular state or condition. Position, a particular way in which someone or something has been placed or arranged. Condition, bring something into the desired state for use. Repeatable, able to be done again, once more. Effort, a vigorous or determined attempt. Vigorous, strong, healthy, and full of energy. Determined, having a firm decision and being resolved not to change it. Towards, in the direction of or as regards, in relation to. Direction, the management of guidance of someone or something. Relation, a thing's effort on or relevance to another. Transforming, making a thorough or dramatic change in the form, appearance, or character of. Change, replace with something else, especially of the same kind that is newer or better. Yourself, you personally. Personally, with the presence of the individual specified. Now, let's look at this sequence of words and dig deeper to put it all together to create a daily statement. Take a minute on your computer or in your journal and see what you come up with. This is what I came up with as my daily statement. I am repeatedly changing my ways to create my desired state in life through strong, healthy, and energetic decisions with guided efforts to transform my presence with a newer, better version. I haven't memorized this yet, but will be putting this on my next year's vision board. Now, Pretty Mind is how you are going to work towards putting repeatable effort towards transforming yourself. This Pretty Mind Bootcamp is an intense 12-step process to get your whole life in order. I am going to share a condensed version of what I've been hashing out over the last 15 years, which includes hard and uncomfortable growing pains along the way that helped birth this system before I even knew I was creating a whole system. As I mentioned before, there are always testimonies from the test as well as messages from the mess. I pray that you use this knowledge as a foundation as it will help you find true inner peace while enduring the long overdue realignment of your life. This is how you get and stay on your path to next level living. Let's first pause and reflect on what is stopping you from having the life of your dreams. Or better yet, a life so amazing that you couldn't even dream it becoming a reality for yourself. Is it the inner voice in your mind speaking all kinds of insecurities and fear into your heart and soul? Or is it the lack of time and money to even get started? Maybe it's not knowing what you don't know or how to even begin. Perhaps you are the first to blaze new trails while no one else in your family understands what you're talking about when you try to share a glimpse into your dreams and aspirations. Let's not even talk about not having the mental energy necessary to focus on these dreams and aspirations between the responsibilities of your job, spouse, kids, family, parents, church, pets, and whoever else you must do before squeezing in a little me time. I'm going to be completely honest and share that typing that previous sentence just made me mentally exhausted. Over the course of countless conversations with my friends, family, and clients, I often heard women mentioning that they wish they had more time, money, confidence, support, energy, and love. I have seen women focus intensely on one area only to feel deficient in another or hop from one to the other with short lived focus, like a sadistic version of whack a mole on overdrive. Am I saying that women can easily have it all? No. In fact, I want you to stop thinking about questions that involve the word easy. So, where is your wealthy auntie going with all of this? We are going to start from the ground up on a fresh foundation of transformative mindset shifts and habit formations that make sense for you and your vision of how you want to be living. Is it possible to have all these areas in our lives in alignment, working together in harmony? Yes, but it is not going to be easy and requires daily, repeatable efforts. Always remember that once you complete this 12-step bootcamp program, chances are you will need to revisit it and make adjustments in a few years, as each season has its own unique challenges and opportunities. I will share that I personally have done this numerous times and enjoy the reflection and reevaluation. So please don't give this book to a friend once you've read it, thinking you are done and will not need to go back through it. I'm going to share the process, but if you just read this book and do not do the exercises or follow the daily routines, you will be no better prepared for a better life than a couch potato binge watching Netflix, aspiring to become a professional athlete. This is going to be uncomfortable and hard and take dedicated effort on your part. So, you can stop reading now if you do not want to put in the work. For those ready, willing, and able, please remember if you do get started and fall off, prepare to be strong, reset, and take it from the top. More on that later. This holistic approach to putting repeatable effort towards transforming yourself is designed to do the following. Step 1, spirituality. Strengthen your faith with your higher power. Step 2, identity. Understand and accept who you are. Step 3, health. Take measures to get and keep your mind and body healthy. Step 4, finances. Grasp monetary concepts and establish basic management habits. Steps 6 and 7, time management. Manage your habits, tasks, and calendar effectively. Steps 8 and 9, relationships. Nurture peaceful, supportive, and developing affiliations. Step 10 through 12, solidify, track, modify, and sustain all that you have learned. Here is the secret sauce. You must work all these mindset shifts and habit setting actions together and fight daily to keep them in alignment once you have them established. Fight like your life depends on it, because it does. Do everything in your power to protect these areas of your life when you reach that point of complete inner peace. It's not about getting there, but staying there with the discipline you've now established from your reprogrammed mindsets and habits. The good news is we will tackle all this together here in Pretty Mind.